Human error prevention training course to identify, communicate and mitigate errors. Most companies and industries use error-proofing methods to improve the quality of their products and services. The only way to drive to zero-defect quality across an enterprise is through preventive solutions designed to eliminate errors, which result in defects. The knowledge needed to develop a culture of human error prevention is limited, therefore implementation of preventive error proofing remains a desire rather than a reality across most industries, until now. Get access to ASUP, the success-based error prevention methodology and toolset. Our Human Error Prevention Training Workshop is designed to re-evaluate your process, use risk to your advantage and ensure the effort of you and your team is focused where it should be. Attendees will also discover why most human errors and human factors are caused by error-likely situations, which typically stem from weaknesses in the policies and practices that influence how organizations select, train, supervise, communicate with, and design workplaces for workers. You will learn how to apply our human performance assessment tools immediately. Some of the benefits of human error prevention training include: personal safety awareness is equal to corporate safety success. That is, when safety awareness is up, injuries are down. Fewer injuries means fewer production delays, less waste and a drop-off in repeated incidents. Error prevention training helps reduce risky shortcuts through an effective blend of personal motivation, awareness, and safety decision-making skills. In our course you will learn how to reduce human error, the concepts of error prevention, the separation of cause and effect, error prevention versus detection, error prevention ASUP methodology, and common language consideration and guidelines. The ASUP methodology, developed by the Error Prevention Institute, was designed to ensure that all personnel associated with an operational assignment are familiar with and understand their roles and responsibilities so the risks of accidents can be identified, communicated and mitigated. The Roadmap to Error Prevention. You may access the basic course on any computer or mobile device through the EPI website. Each online user has a unique login to access our cloud-based training. Users can pause the course or review a previous topic. Modules can be taken individually as schedules permit. Who should attend this course? Those seeking techniques to analyze facilities, systems, and operations proactively and reactively. Those seeking new prevention and mitigation approaches to solve human performance problems. For any further information, feel free to connect with us.